はい、皆さんこんにちは。漢字の勉強頑張っていますか？ Today, we're gonna do JLPT N4 Kanji Reading Part Test 2. There are 12 questions in this video. You have 10 seconds to answer for each question. After the test, I will share the secret of how Japanese people memorize kanji. If you want to know the secret, keep watching. Here's the secret of how Japanese people learn kanji. The secret is Ondoku. Ondoku means read out loud. Let me break it down what is happening when you read out loud. You recognize a sentence and you pronounce it and then you actually hear it yourself. Reading, speaking, and listening. 3 things are happening at the same time. That's why it's very effective when it comes to learning kanji or Japanese vocabulary. Read out loud is very effective. That's how we learn. A lot of people think that we write a lot, we practice a lot writing, but it's just a one part. I personally believe that Ondoku is the best way to learn kanji. Now it's time for us to try Ondoku together. We are going to use the same sentence from the mock test. so that you can review the kanji while we're trying ondoku. That's like two birds with one stone. I will read a sentence. I want you to repeat after me. それでは始めましょう。待っている間、本を読んでいました。明日は何時ごろ起きますか？5時半に帰ってもいいですよ。急にお腹が痛くなった。アパートから大学まで遠いです。どんな魚が好きですか？もう一度言ってください。今考えているところです。自分で料理を作りますか？家の前に車を止めないでください。うちの犬が死にました。テストは10時から始めます。